Prosecco and a nice glass of cider for yourself and a nice ice cream for the kids. Yeah. And at this stage as well, it just look. A big thank you to all individuals who have helped support the raft run today. Bangor Rugby Club, Menai Bridge. Alright, so as you can see the first raft coming through, we're just waiting for confirmation of the raft number, and of course this will be for the class of the Time Chasers, which is the fastest raft coming through the Straits. So once again, it's raft number 11, SS Sunward, who have been taking part for many years, and last year's winner again. So once they come through, as you can see, splish splash in the water here, our duck is also our finish line. Yeah, and as you can see, it's second raft coming through underneath the bridge as well. Come on now, raft 11, come on, come on. Right, come on, raft number 11, make your way over now, come on. How can I resist? Mamma mia, does it show again? Just how much I missed. Come on, raft number 11, come on. So as you can see, raft number 11 coming to the final line now. Come on, give them a big round of applause, well done. Raft number 11, SS Sunward, well done. Big round of applause, come on. And wait for it, I'll be ready. Well done. Sorry about that, I should have warned you. Well done, raft 11. And as you can see, we've got our helpers down the slipway to take the raft straight out. See how she dances now. She sips the Coca-Cola. She can't tell the difference. She can't tell the difference. You're making out this morning. So here we go then, ladies and gents. A big round of applause for raft number 35, PG Cabs, well done. And once again, big thank you for the sponsorship over the last number of years. Thank you very much appreciated. Here we go again. Well done. And as you can see, ladies and gents, this helicopter has been here all morning from 7 o'clock filming for Dr. Dolittle. So if you watch over and see some of the demonstrations of this helicopter underneath the bridge, etc. Right, so as you're aware, they are filming on the suspension bridge. Just watch this, ladies and gents, as he goes to take another shot. Yeah. Right, let's get this party started. Are we ready? So as you can see, raft number 3, raft number 4 is the Thursday Girls, and that's raft number 6. So here we go, watch this helicopter just zooming straight in now. Let's have a little dance, everyone. Come on, give them something to film. Welcome to Menai Bridge. Right, come on, let's wiggle. Our third raft is raft number 27. Team Travis, come on, Team Travis, come on. So we'll get raft number 27 and raft number 6. Very close. Thursday Girls, can you make your way round towards the pier, the Prince Madoc? You're supposed to go round. Can you see the boat over here? Yeah. That's it. Oh, we have number 6 overtaking you, lads. Come on. A bit of a challenge now. So raft 27 and raft number 6. Look how close this is, look.
working for the man.
Right, ready for this, ladies and gents? Here we go. Are we ready? Sorry about that. Well done, Thursday girls. Well done. Question. Well done. I've been told there is a girls' raft and they do have girls' legs, so I'll just go with that. Yeah, as you can see now, some of the raft are all coming through together now. Next raft coming in is raft 24, Murphy's Mob. Again, been supporting the raft run for many, many years. Now if you look at the raft just coming in as well, towards the pier, going at a feral speed. Don't be surprised if it overtakes Murphy's Mob. For anyone that's just arrived yet, the helicopter's filming for Dr. Dolittle Paramount Films here on the suspension bridge. Been here since 7 o'clock this morning. Very pleased to say going to be part of the raft run. Right, so as I said, Murphy's Mob coming in now.
Yeah, Tim's home there. Tim's coming out of there, yeah, and there's a gate on your left. Come down the gate and I'm sat on that wall.
So look at the rafts coming in now.
Okay, and my mum's out there.
Keeping to the Bangor side and going along with the straights. Sometimes we've got to be very careful because we may end up in Clanberfeckin.
Lucy, Ollie, go get a drink for Laura.
And as you will see very soon, the tide's changing. So here we go, raft 24, raft 21, raft 17. Right, so as you can see, raft 24, 21, very close to becoming neck and neck. Yeah, I can actually tell you, ladies and gents, Paramount Films are going to be making a donation to the raft run for all the oh, look, oh, 21, 21, 21, yes, RAF 21, and RAF 24, so much for your hose. As you can see, RAF number 17 now coming round on towards the back eddy, then RAF 20, followed by RAF 19. Gonga Ding. Yeah, RAF 17 Gonga Ding, RAF 20 Rebel Rejects, and RAF 19 Anglesey Rebels. I've just been corrected, it's not Paramount, it's Universal Films. Tell Robert to come and see me if he's got a problem with that. Does he not know I'm Scotty? Angus is cider man. Yeah, RAF number 17 coming through now. RAF 17, Gonga Ding. Come on, give him a big round of applause. Come on, go for it. Well done. Well done. Are you ready for it, Garth? Well done. Gonga Ding. Yeah, as I said, ladies and gents, please support all our stalls here today. Coffee Bay, Lemon Lime Bar, Anglesey Hall Roast, of course our cake stand, the WI, Red Boat, ice creams, and of course Pentraeth Automotive, you're one of the sponsors this year. RAF number 20, ladies and gents, Rebel Rejects, a big round of applause. Well done, Dilkenvara. Yeah, RAF 20. Yeah, the RAFs making their way in now towards the Princess Pier is RAF number 7, number 30 and number 2. Yeah. Where you are. So now, as you can see over by the Bangor side, we have one of the rafts making its way down to Bangor Pier by the looks of it. So of course our safety boats will now assist and bring them back over towards the Menai Bridge side. There you go. As you can see now, coming in now, raft number 30, Bright Sparks. So again, well done to them. Our next raft is raft number 2, HMS Outstanding. Well done, keep going, you're not finished. You have to go round the dock 3 times. I'm quackers. Well done, raft number 2. So we've got raft 28, raft 25 and raft 16 making their way over here now. So as you can see, look at the rafts now, obviously starting to struggle a little bit with the tides. It's the difficult part now. If you're ever going to take part, as soon as you come through the suspension bridge, you should really start making your way over towards the pier. The raft now coming in here, looks like it's ready to go under by the looks of it. I think it could be filling up slightly. And again, ladies and gents, you can see underneath the suspension bridge, we've still got 4, 5, 6 rafts coming in.
Good, just opened it there.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
That was about to get up there, Tony. Oh, it's up to you.
Raft number. Yeah, look at that. A raft of rugby men been overtaken. Come on. Oh, very close, very close. Raft 25, well done. Here we go, we get two rafts again. Look at this neck and neck. A bit of a battle here. Raft number 16. Well done, the Rotary Club. Well done, Raft 16. Raft number 16. Yeah, raft number 3 coming in as well. Well done. Raft 28. Well done. Well done. Yeah, well done. Well done. Raft number 15, well done. Okay, ladies and gents, I believe this raft coming in is raft number 9. Raft number 9. And I would just like to say we had a message this morning from the raft asking us if we would just announce that this raft is donating funds for Cheryl's sister who passed away in October 2016, leaving 2 young autistic children. A big special mention to, I believe it's Gareth, for all the support. Well done. Round of applause. Well done. So well done there to raft number 9. Now let's get this karaoke on the road. I wanna dance.
Ja, dit is het. Dit is het. Ja, Ellie. Hey Jack, can you see?
Right, so please come down, support us here in Princess Pier. Various stalls here. We're off number, aren't you? We're off 23. Well done. You look the part as well, eh? What's it like, lads, to be wearing those socks? Oh, there's a bit of a battle here. Bit of a battle. Rough number 34. I did say we'd have karaoke. Well done, Raft, well done. Raft number 34.
The egg throwing people! Oh, they're candy!
Raft 33, well done. Well done, Raft 33. Plus Midnight Divas. Well done. Big round of applause, well done. Could we ask all drivers who are coming to pick up the rafts to make their way back to their vehicles, please? Reach. Little bit of a battle out there at the moment, you can see just... you up there.
Mam, hwnna di job gorau yn y canol ia.
Google, upload lang yung Google.
Ond yna rhain yn bod, dyma rei bach, lle maen nhw wedi cael eu caru allan. Efo bod
Ar cychod melyn mae'n helpu nhw. Helpu nhw.
Jumpio allan de, tynnu'r
Okay, as you can see, the rafts are just struggling a little bit there. As you can see how the tide's starting to turn now, ladies and gents, so just slowly struggling to get round now. Raft number 8. Are you ready for it, ladies? Are you ready for this? Are you ready? Are you ready? Well done.